This is Dabu7 talking about this internet kill switch that many governments possess at this moment. I've talked about this lights out situation for the past decade now. Everyone should be prepared for it. In reality, when the lights go out, so too does the internet. Well, the internet can go out on its own without the lights going out and still wreak havoc that I think many people are overlooking. Now, many countries have this capability, at least 45 different countries. And we've seen here in the past couple of years, a lot of countries flex this power of putting people in the dark when it comes to the internet. In 2019, Iran shut it down. We had Egypt shut it down. Back in 2009, China shut it down for an entire year. Zimbabwe shut it down. Protests popped up in South Sudan. They shut it down. Election Day 2021 in Zambia. They shut it down. Colombia's government shut it down this year to stop protest. Same with another election day shutdown in the Republic of Congo. Armenia shut down the internet to counter protest. Russia even came out and shut down the internet in terms of pesky election meddling, and that's laughable. The coup in Myanmar, yep, they shut down the internet. Ethiopia, they shut down the internet 12 times since 2020. India, top of the list as well, coming in, shutting it down left and right on their people. India was the global leader in shutdowns back in 2019 with over 150 within a 3-year span. So, does the United States have this? Well, you betcha. They have a whole lot more than that. The King alphabet gangs that disperse these tools to these mystery hackers all around the world are right here in the United States. Outside of the Mossad, your NSA that comes up with all these tools, and then your FBI's, your CIA's, your other elite alphabet gangs that many people have never even heard of that are operating out there constantly. There's something bigger going on right now. I feel there's a big event coming in the offing. I hope you're doing everything that you can to prepare for this. If you can't tell, they're choking us off. Shelves getting thinned out, prices of everything else going up, the power of the dollar sinking. Join me for the live streams next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern, as I cover a lot of this and a whole lot more, uncensored. Hope to see you guys there.